friends, my name is Monika and you're watching my channel Asija IELTS. So again I'm here with another set of PTE collocations, and this video is directly related to your PTE reading filling in the blanks. So this video is very useful, very helpful for the students who have already booked their exam and watch this video before going to your exam. So let's get started. So first is underlying assumption, underlying cause, underlying principle, underlying process, underlying reason, underlying structure, undertake research, undertake work, undertake activity, unequal power, unfair treatment, unintended consequences, undertake project, undertake measures, undertake initiatives, unequal power, unfair collection, thinking process, third party, thought process, tightly controlled, top management, total income, totally different, traditional approach, traditional culture, wide area, wide array, wide range, wide variation, widely accepted, widely adopted, widely available, widely believed, widely different, wider issue, wider public, wider society, widespread acceptance, widespread belief, widespread support, widespread use, work effectively, written comment, written communication, written statement, young people, young generation, major decision, maximum duration,